We do HVAC for the Carnival cruise ships as well as the Navy ships.
So how many years you have this machine?
We've had this machine for about roughly almost soon to be 2 years. Since we got it, it's been a big difference in commodity to the company. I mean, I'm jumping back and forth from, I'll go anywhere from 20 gauge stainless steel galvanized all the way up to 1.5 inch carbon steel, and it cuts it like butter. It's fast, it's swift, it's fairly easy to use. Once you get the gist of it, it's been a great machine.
Wow.
We're already wanting to get another one, a bigger one, your upgrade. I haven't had that with any of the other machines that we even had. We'd always have to get a hold of a technician and wait for them to come, compared to if something's wrong or if I have a question, I just give them a call, and being able to just be able to get a hold and talk to your technicians online over the phone, and for them to also be able to log in themselves and over TeamViewer, work as a team online, and then me in person. It's been a big help. I've never experienced anything like that before, and I know I brag about it to people. It's like, oh well, I can just get a hold of a technician and have them go to my computer from wherever they are in the world, and it's a crazy thing. I never would have known. Compared to when I've had to use other machines, having to pretty much beat and abuse the metal to make the parts fall out. These just come out themselves. It's crazy.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.